This is really bothering me because it's not laying flat. Either. Ow.
Hi girl, hi girl, hi girl. If they say I ain't the baddest, then the mother slide. How you riding on them? Hey, okay, running up them bands, trying to bow till I fall.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amari Lovely, aka Amari, and yeah, I'm back. In today's video, we are going to be doing a hairstyle, and we're also going to talk about some topics that I asked some of my followers on Instagram. I'm going to be reading it from here while we do my hair and while I give you a tutorial. This is the hairstyle we're going to do. I got from Pinterest. It is just a half up, half down with a rubber band style in the front of the hair. So I don't want this video to be too much talking. That basically sums up the intro. Let's just hop right into the video. I also just want to state that it is 11:51 right now, and I do have to wake up at school.
What did he say?
Oh my god, I'm tired. Wake up for school at 5:30 in the morning. So you just take this out. I know it looks crazy. I know I look like an old man. Oh my gosh. This is just my natural hair that I straighten myself. I've had it straight for like about a week now. Should I take my glasses off? I'm gonna take my glasses off for right now. We're gonna start with my hair like this. I'm just rambling at this point. Okay, so here's what you're gonna need: a rat tail comb like this, maybe some hair clips. I use these collar clips, bobby pins, some hair ties or scrunchies, whatever you call them, straight in there. So this is the one that I use. It looks like this. Your edges utensil, gorilla snot, not gel like the gorilla hair glue girl, but we gonna talk about her later. It got to be glue styling gel. Hey babes, so first thing you're gonna do is take the rat tail comb and use that to part off a section of your hair in the very front of your hair, and you just want to make sure you try to get it as straight as possible. I'm back. I just took my time making this part straight. You want to make sure that that's as straight as you can get it, like that. Water break. I was a little dehydrated. I'm just gonna make the part right here. It's like it's a box part in the middle and then 2 to 3 boxes here. I typically line it up with the arch of my eyebrow. Sections like this. I just got finished doing everything equally. Let's get into some of these topics before I forget. And I'm gonna work on one side first. I'm gonna do this side. Pin this part off to the side with the hair clip. And we can focus on this section right here. First topic is talking about school during the pandemic and tips on how to stay sane. School for me during the pandemic is very boring. I go in some days to my high school. I'm a senior. If you guys don't know, I'm a senior in high school right now. I go into my school some days, and some days I stay home. So I'm a hybrid student, and I kind of like it, kind of don't. It has its pros and cons, to be honest, but That's with everything in life. So the way I keep sane is literally to just take breaks. I take self-care days sometimes where I do my work, but if I need to take a nap during the day or in between doing my work after school hours, I'm going to take that nap. I hate to say it, but like that's how it is. Split it like this. You get them to be like this, and then you do. Ow! The heck? Go in like this and part in half. I did this side off camera. I end up with 4 basically in the front. Take a bobby pin and you just gonna pin it basically. I want to say that's how she did it. Something about this side is not right. The way I'm pinning it down is just not right. Okay, my friend John wanted me to talk about him in the video. Hey John, if you're watching this, all I have to say is, what's up, friend? He's my buddy. Like, John is my boy. He's cool and everything. I just hope you're watching the video. Okay, someone wants me to talk about the college process. Let me tell you, the college process is no joke. It's no joke. It is stressful. It's all the above, really. I've applied to 8 colleges and I've gotten acceptances from 5 so far. You know, all glory be to God, of course, because I'm a Christian, if you didn't know. So I strongly believe that, you know, by God's grace, I will get accepted into all 8 of the schools that I applied to, and then it'll just be about deciding what one I want to go to for real. Like, brush up this little section of hair. Oh, my bones, y'all heard that? They crackety-yackety. That's embarrassing. What the heck is this? What is this? What is this? That's not what I signed up for. Okay, this is the best I got the bun, so I just wrap my hair and then use the bobby pin. And all that's left now is to straighten my hair. So this is just heating up. I just plugged it in. Someone wanted me to talk about hair. So I can talk about my own hair. This is my hair. It is like bra length, like the top of your bra. On me anyways. I'll just insert some pictures. I will insert some pictures of my hair. So someone wants me to talk about Self-love. I love the topic self-love. Why? Because you don't need a boyfriend, you don't need a girlfriend. You really just need yourself, and you just need to love on yourself. My best advice for how to love yourself is to practice your love language on yourself. You know your love language. If you don't, then figure it out. There's multiple love languages. I will put some examples on the screen if I can. Pick one, know that that's your love language, and practice it on yourself. I think I have multiple love languages. I like being hugged on and stuff like that. I need the reassurance, like the verbal I love you. But I think my biggest one would definitely be quality time, because I feel like your time is more valuable than anything you could buy someone. Like materialistic things, yeah, they're nice, but they're not everything. If you can learn to study someone that you say you love, that you care about, then that just goes to show how much you really love that person. They also want me to talk about my future goals and my summer 21 bucket list or plans. So some of my future goals, near future more say, definitely to graduate high school with a high GPA. Currently, I think I have like a 3.6 GPA, so it's getting there. It's not terrible, you know, that's pretty good, but I really wanted to end high school with a 4.0. Oh, I want to get a new job as soon as I graduate.
Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like what you see. Won't you come over and check up on it? I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let him check up on it. Watch it while he check up on it. Pop it, twerk it, stop it, check on me tonight. Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like that. See, come over and check up. I'ma let you work up. Ladies, let him check up on it. Watch it while he check up on it. Pop it, stop it, check on me tonight. Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like that. See, come over and check up. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let him check up. Watch it while he check up on it. Pop it, stop it, check on me tonight. If you got it, flown it, boy, I know you want it.
So as far as like summer 21, some of my plans, I don't know. I want to do a road trip so bad. So for senior week, I'm thinking of doing either a road trip to like an amusement park or something with a few of my friends. Alright, so I'm gonna turn this off now. Okay, so I'm gonna do my edges now that I got the hair how I want it to look. Real snot and styling gel. Put some on my hand. I do like this much, and I go in with that first.
I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, I see it in your face. You can't take it, it's blazing. You watch me in amazement. You can look at it as long as you don't grab it. Grab it, as long as you don't grab it. You think that I'm teasing, but I ain't got no reason. I'm sure that I can please you, but first I gotta read you. Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like that. See, come over and check up. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let him check up on it. Watch it while he check up on it. Pop it, stop it, check on me tonight. Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like that. See, come over and check up. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let him check up. Watch it while he check up on it. Pop it, stop it, check on me tonight. I know you wanna taste it, but I'm gonna make you chase it. Got to be patient. I like mine impatient. More patient, you'll take mine. Get you in more places. You can't be abrasive. Have to know the pace. If I let you get up on it, gotta make a promise that you gon' put it on me like no one's put it on me. Don't hold me, just show me. I'm in touch, but don't please. But I really wanna please you. Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like that. Come over and check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let him check up on it. Watch it while you check up on it.
Oh my gosh, I forgot almost to talk about Gorilla Glue Girl. Or Tanika Brown, I think her name is. Something like that. At first, I felt bad for her. I really did. I heard she's trying to sue the company because she put it on her hair when clearly it is not a product for hair. She's money hungry, to be honest. She's money greedy. And I don't think she should be trying to sue them. I think she should just be more so happy about the fact that, you know, they were able to get it out of her hair in the first place.
Pop it, check on me
So that is it for this video, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on anything that you thought about this video. I love you guys so much. See you in the next one. Mwah. Bye. Check up on it.